Hello and happy Labor Day to everybody. Today I would love to talk to especially women because I would love to invite you for a special unique yoga workshop that I will be teaching on Saturday, September 22nd at Haven on the Lake in Columbia, Maryland. The topic is easing into menopause, and I do understand as I work with women how trying this time of life can be for women, changing their body shape, some problems with insomnia, having a hard time to maintain a good and positive mood, and many other symptoms that menopause can bring. So in this workshop we will explore how specific yoga tools that we have in yoga can really help us to ease into menopause and see it actually as a stage to reinvent ourselves physically, mentally, and emotionally as well. What is really cool about this workshop is that the cost is $35, and it includes actually use of entire Haven on the Lake healing environments, which means that you can use hot tub, cold dip, sauna, steam room, salt therapy room, and therapeutic pool to simply relax and take this as a really day to take a time for yourself and start a new way to look at your body and your life. So I hope that you are going to join me, and that you will have a wonderful time. You will get some specific tools that you can take with you and start practicing as soon as the workshop is over. Please click on the link below, and if you have any questions, of course, you can always contact me as well, and the contact information is below as well. Namaste, and I'm looking forward to see you on September 22nd at 2 p.m. at Haven on the Lake.